Ops, wait lang. Huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre, magbibigay man tayo ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, which of the following is not a source of natural light? Yan. Ang tanong natin dito is ano daw sa baba yung hindi source of natural light natin? Kasi sa ating photography na pinag-usapan sa forensic science, may dalawang sources kasi tayo ng ating light natin na ginagamit sa photography. May natural source of light, tsaka yung may tinatawag nating artificial light. Yun yung mga sources natin sa light natin. Pag sinasabi natin kasi nga natural light, kumbaga ito yung mga source of light natin na ginagamit sa photography without the intervention of human being. Pero kapag sinabi natin artificial light, ito naman yung mga source of light natin na ginagamit sa photography na meron ng kinalaman or with the intervention of human being. And syempre tandaan natin class, kadalasan kapag ang photography ay ginagawa outdoor, kumbaga in outdoor photography, ginagamit natin dyan kadalasan is yung natural light natin. Yung source of light natin for outdoor photography is natural light. Pero kapag mga indoor photography, ang ginagamit natin naman kadalasan is yung ating tinatawag na artificial light. So tandaan lang natin, for outdoor photography, that is considered natural light, yung source natin. Pero pag indoor photography is artificial light naman yung magiging source natin. Pero dito sa tanong natin, saan ba dito sa baba yung hindi source ng natural light? Letter A, sun. Letter B, moon. Letter C, stars. Letter D, fireflies. Sabi ko nga kanina, without the intervention of human being. So, possible, silang natin, pwede naman, di ba? Kasi nga, without intervention of human being naman yan eh. Sun, moon, stars, fireflies. Pero, kailangan nating pumili talaga class ng, kumbaga, yung pinakamalapit na tamang sagot. Okay? Yung sun kasi class, that is, pasok yan sa tinatawag nating source of light talaga. Okay, source of natural light talaga. Okay, kasi pasok na pasok yan. Kasi meron naman talaga siyang light, nagbibigay talaga siya ng light. Yung stars natin, ganun din siya. Yung fireflies natin, same din siya. That is a source of natural light. Actually, class, yung moon sana is source of natural light siya. Kaso, class, actually, yung moon does not having a light itself. Wala siyang light sa kanyang sarili. It only produce light. It's because of the reflection or refraction of the lights from the sun. So, therefore, yung pinakamalapit na sagot natin dyan is walang iba kundi yung moon. Okay? May mga article na nagsasabi na yung statement na moon is a source of natural light is false. It's because wala namang light itself si moon. Yan. So, paano? The correct answer natin dyan is bravo. Yung ating sun, stars, saka fireflies is really a source of natural light. And syempre, sana nakatulong sa inyo yan. At ito pa rin yung lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel Damasar Schumann, Villacer Balacalos at CBRC National Tour and Registered Criminologist. Nasasabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa examination, kailangan natin ng baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulatan, share, sabi ng tsamba, tsaga, sipag at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you.